carrot just for me. Peas are green and they're the best. Broccoli broccoli helps you grow so high. COR and corn is yellow, let's begin. SPINACH spinach makes you strong, oh yes. TOMATO tomatoes are red, don't you know? CUCUMBER cucumbers are cool, they really are. BELLPEPPER bell pepper colors everywhere. LETTUC lettuce in my salad, OG. CUCCINI zucchini pie is worth a try. CELERY celery crunches, oh my, oh my. PUMPKIN pumpkins for pie, lots of fun. CAULIFLOWER cauliflower is a veggie star. GREENBEANS green beans are long